Hello, I'm Samir. In this video, I'm going to teach you how we can use eZeeBUrrp POS software to, to perform some operation into the restaurant management system. Now, to perform daily basis operations like punching order, creating KOTs, and to generate receipt, you need to use eZeeBUrrp from the desktop. So your screen will be loading. Okay, here you can select real system environment to perform your day-to-day operation, but for the testing purpose, let's say you would like to use this software as a trial with the pre-existing data. You can use a sample practice data environment. So when the screen is loaded, you need to use the username and password to log in into the system. Basically, we do have 4 types of login mode, whereby you can use first one to log in as a admin user and password. Second one is with the use of user code. Let's say you have configured user code into the system, you can log in with the user code. Third one is swipe card login, means you need to swipe the card and you can log in. Fourth one, we have user fingerprint mode, whereby let's say you have fingerprint reader attached with this machine and integrated with eZeeBUrrp, so you can just add your fingerprint and log in into the system. And log in with the use of admin. Okay, so next screen is containing shift information. Here you can see the start date and timing is showing. Means what? This is your start date timing of your shift. This is the current date timing. Means what? Whenever your system, let's say your operating system is containing this date and timing, that means this is your system start date and timing. Let's say you want to start your shift with zero balance, then you can enter zero balance over here and start your shift. Make sure your previous shift user has closed his shift, then only you will be able to enter the your cash over balance over here. Here number of outlets which your restaurant is running will be listed, so you need to select which outlet you want to use to perform your operations. So this is the basic screen of your POS system. So you can see your user is showing over here. That means this is the user with which you have logged in. Okay, let's say you want to close your shift, you can click on the close shift. Let's say you want to log out from the shift, we can the software, then you can use the log out. If you will use turn off button, that means you will totally log out from the system and your software will be closed. Let's say you want to switch the outlet, then you can click on this option over here, change outlet option, so you will be able to change your outlet as well. Whatever session you are running, let's say this is your daily session, then you can click on the change session over here, so your session will be changed. Basically we have 6 types of order type. Okay, so you can see the dining, takeaway, delivery, room service, no charge, and advance order. Whenever you want to perform some operation, let's say receive a KOT operation into the dining, okay, so you can always use the dining. Means what? Whenever some guests are coming in your restaurant, they are sitting on the tables and they are ordering food, so you are going to use the dining. Second one is takeaway. Takeaway used for, let's say someone is coming to your reception, they are requesting some food to make it as a parcel. Okay, so you can use this option to make a parcel. Third one is delivery. Delivery used to, let's say someone is ordering some food via call or via message or WhatsApp. Okay, so you can record all guest information to make a delivery service. Fourth one is room service. Room service is what? Let's say someone is using your rooms as well. Let's say you have hotel as well, whereby some guests are staying in your room. Okay, they are calling to you and they are ordering some food, so you can use room service, whereby you will be getting list of in-house guests. You can select the room from that particular room service and you can punch the order. Next one is no charge. Let's say some guests who are visiting your restaurant, okay, there may be your like colleagues or your relatives. Okay, so what you can do is you can punch their order, but you do not want to charge them, so you can like post those charges to your owner's account or manager's account or your account. Okay, so with this option we can make a no charge. Last one is advance order. Advance order is used to whenever you want to make some advance order. Okay, let's say some guest is going to come after 2 or 3 hours and you want to record those orders into the system with the use of advance order. So when they come and have food, you are going to make settlement from the advance order list over here. Now I'll quickly start the operation into the dine-in, whereby I will show you how we can punch a QOT like starter, main course and finish the order. So to perform operation into the dine-in, you can click on this dine-in option. You can select the table on which you would like to make the order. So I will select table MD1. I'll click on that. I'll add the cache information like which table number you want to use, which waiter will be serving this order, what is the first name of the guest, and what is the last name of the guest. Okay, I'll select the number of adults who are going to have food on that particular table. Let's say 4. Okay, I'll select the number of child as well. Okay, here I'll add if any remark. Let's say you want to show on the receipt. Okay, I'll add senior citizen ID if it is any. Okay, so once I will add this particular all information, system will give you menu list. Okay, so if let's say I want to punch first of all some starters, then I'll go to the main. This is my main category, this is my subcategory, so I'll select this starter. Okay, I'll add the quantity, let's say 5. Okay, I'll add one more starter over here, let's say beverage and drinks. Okay, so consider this is as a starter. Okay, then I'll click on the print and finish. So you can see my QT has been printed. Now if you have configured your operations like your food item will go to the kitchen and liquor item or beverages should go to the bar, okay, then this particular one QOT will be splitted with the menu item, and one food item which you have added will be punched to the kitchen, and one beverage item which should go to the a bar, then it will be printed to the bar printer. We have this kind of configuration we can use. Now we can see over here the QOT, as I have first punched one QOT which is a starter, so QOT number has been generated as a 92, and whatever menu item I have punched. So on a QOT, number of quantity of that item and that item name will be punched. Let's say after 5 or 10 minutes you are receiving one more order on the same table for the same guest for the main course. Okay, so I'll click on this particular table over here and it will open one more window whereby you will be getting a list of options. So I will select new QOT as I am going to collect one more order with the starter or one more order with the main course. So I'll go to the main course option. Here I'll select international kitchen, or I can select the main course, and I will punch the order with the number of quantity for the main course. If you have configured modifier group, okay, so it will divert you to the modifier group, so you can select the modify items from it and you can finish. So you can see with this particular item, as I have configured the modifier group, so modify item is listed over here. Now let's say I want to punch one more item with the 5 quantity. So I just go, then I'll go to the stick sauce and finish, and afterwards I'll click on the finish. So with this item I have this many modify items, so this way I can as well punch for the main course. So this was my main course. So you can see as soon as I have created one more order on the table with the main course, so it is listed over here as well. So as soon as I will select the table, I can perform as many operations I want to perform after starting the table. So this is my second QOT on the same table. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch some desserts. So what I'll do, I'll again create new QOT at the end. Okay, I'll go to the desert option and I'll punch the desert as well. Let's set the quantity of desert fish salad and the quantity of kaju ka halwa. So here you can see I have punched the desert as well. Now what more operation we do have? Let's say you want to change the quantity of this particular desert. So what you can do is you can select this menu item from here, and if you want to change the unit, you can change the unit from here. If you want to change the number of quantity of this particular item, you can change the quantity over here. Can you see? This way I can change the quantity as well. Now let's say you want to add some modify item on this particular item. So if you have configured a modify item on this particular item, then you will be able to add the modify item as well. Let's say I want to add some preparation remark on this item. So I'll select the item from here and I'll click on the preparation remark. Okay, so you can select the preparation remark from the list, and if the preparation remark is not already configured into the system, you can click on this particular over here and you can add the preparation remark like this. Okay, so this way this preparation remark will be added on this item and it will be printed on the QOT. Print and finish. So once I'll select this table, you can see over here number of 3 QOT are showing to me. So this is my first QOT, this is my second QOT, and this is my third QOT. Now after some time, let's say your guest is requesting a bill, okay, which is unsettled bill. So what you can do is you can go to the table and you can click on the running order table. So all QOT will be selected here. If you just want to create a receipt with selected QOT, then just select the QOT from here from the list. Okay, so let's say these 3 are QOTs and I want to make a bill for only 2 QOT. So I'll just check mark the 2 QOT and click on the make receipt. So what system will do? System will create one bill which is unsettled bill with this particular 2 QOTs only. I'll check mark all as I want to make receipt for the all QOT. Okay, here I can select any of the one from the list just because I want to make a receipt. So at the time of creating a receipt, you can see all 3 QOT has been merged into the one receipt. Okay, if I want to just check the bill, I'll click over here bill details and I'll check the bill. So you can see the total is showing over here, settle amount is showing over here. As this is unsettled bill, so it's showing me a 0, and this is my due amount. So as soon as I'll settle this bill, my due amount will be showing as a 0. Now this is my amount, this is my item discount which is showing as a 0 item discount, and this is my bill discount which is showing as 0. Okay, the discount I will apply after creating a receipt, because I am going to print a guest check whereby I'll provide this guest check to the guest, and as soon as he'll request bill discount or item discount, I'll apply the item discount or bill discount accordingly on request. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just click on print and finish or finish button, as I just want to create a receipt with the guest check. So you can see this is my guest check. Okay, guest check means what? Let's say your guest is requesting bill to you. According to checking that bill, he is going to pay 2 years. So you can see receipt number is showing me over here. Table number also is showing. The person who was serving that order is also showing over here, and the name of the guest is showing. This is the date of order and date of guest visit, and this is the timing. Item name is showing over here, what quantity of item they have used, and unit of that particular item. You can see the amount is showing me over here. So this is my amount and this is my bill amount. Total bill amount is showing over here. The tax amount is showing and payable amount is showing. This is my tax bifurcation. So whatever tax I have configured into the system, so total will be showing over here. So you can print this particular unsettled bill receipt and provide to the guest. As soon as I'll create the receipt, my all QOT will be converted into the receipt. So instead of QOT, as soon as I'll select this particular table over here, my receipt number will be showing, and all items which I have punched on that particular table will be listed as a receipt, and this is my total. Now as soon as you will receive that particular receipt from the guest with the amount, gas is requesting 10% discount on the bill. So how will you add that particular discount on the bill? Okay, so to add the discount on that bill, what you can do is you can click on this table and you can recall the receipt. So again your receipt mode will be activated, and to apply discount on that particular bill, you can click on this discount option. Here we do have two type of discount. One is discount on receipt and second one is discount on item. The discount on receipt will give you list of discount type you have created into the system. So what I will do, I'll just use this particular 10% discount option over here and apply it. So 10% discount will be applied on that bill. So you can check over here, the 10% discount has been applied. Now let's say you have mistakenly added this discount. So how will you remove that discount? To remove the discount, again you can come over here under discount on item option. From here, discount on item, and click on the remove discount. So whatever discount you have applied on that receipt, it will be removed from the system. So right now you can see that 0% of discount is showing. Now let's say you want to add the discount on specific selected item. So what I will do, I'll select the item on which I want to give a discount. So I'll go to the discount, and on this item African stuff and top, I want to give a discount. Let's say predefined discount 50%. Okay, so as I have selected only this item and I'll apply, so I need to check my apply on selected and apply. So what system will do? System will just apply 50% discount on this only one item. It will skip all of the item from the list. So I'll check the discount option over here, sorry, a bill detail over here. So the discount will be applied on the item. So it will be showing you as an item discount. Okay, now let's say I want to remove this discount. So I'll click on the discount on item. I'll select the discount and I'll remove it. So again I'll go to the bill details and I'll check the what discount I have applied should be removed. So I again go discount on item, 50% discount, and remove. Okay, so that discount will be removed. Now what I'll do, I'll just I want to use more discount option, the cash discount on receipt and cash discount on item. Here in a cash discount on receipt, one option is discount percentage. So I can manually add number of percentage over here, let's say 10%, or we can say 0%, but fixed amount, let's say 500 on the bill. Okay, so 500 fixed amount I'm going to provide discount on receipt. And if you want to provide discount 500 or let's say 10% on specific item, then you can use the cash discount on item. So basically discount is having two categories. One is discount on receipt and second one is discount on item. If you have configured fixed discount type on your software, then you can use discount on receipt and you can select a discount type. Or else if you want to give some specific percentage amount which is not fixed, then you can use cash discount on receipt and cash discount on item. Okay, so this is my bill. Now what I did is I just applied 10% discount on bill, and gas has requested me to settle bill after 10% discount. So I just apply the discount and I will make a settlement. As soon as I'll try to make a settlement, system will give you 4 type of settlement option. Okay, so over here we can see the cash settlement type. Second one is city ledger settlement type. Third one is room posting settlement type, and fourth one is gift card settlement type. Now let's say you want to make settlement as a cash, Visa, MasterCard or credit card, then always you can use the cash settlement type, whereby you have option for the payment type. So you can select the payment type from the list: cash, check, Visa, MasterCard. So with this settlement type you will be able to make a settlement. Okay, the second one is city ledger. So as soon as you will select a city ledger, system will give you city ledger option over here. So whatever city ledger account means a credit account you want to use, means what, whenever some gas requesting they are going to pay a bill after 8 hours, after 2 days, after 3 days. So you need to make that amount as a credit on specific ledger account. So this is your ledger account. Okay, if you do not have some ledger account over here and you want to create one new, you can click over here and you can create the ledger account. Okay, so you can see you can create city ledger account from here with this option. So all your charges will be posted to the ledger account, and later on when guests will come to you and pay the amount, you can go to that city ledger account and collect the payment. Third one is room post. Let's say you have your hotel management system as well, okay, which is eZeeBUrrp PMS. So if you have eZeeBUrrp PMS and some guests are in-house, all in-house guests will be listing over here. Okay, so you can select, you can see over here the voucher number is showing, your room number is showing, guest number is showing. So you can select the guest from the list. So these charges will be posted to this room number, and as soon as you will click on the add button, that charges will be listing in the room under an extra charge tab. Fourth one is gift card. Let's say you are using our loyalty module, so system will allow you to make the settlement as a loyalty module. Okay, so you have redeem balance, redeem points, and card details. So you can make settlement with the use of redeem balance or redeem points. Okay, so this 4 type of settlement option we do have. So we will make a settlement with the use of different settlement type. Right now I'll just use the cash settlement type from the list and click on the add button. So you can see system is giving me message to change the option, and you can make the receipt. Now you can see same receipt number is showing, table number is showing, all amount is showing. One more thing I got is this cash settlement type, which was previously was not showing. So this is my receipt number and this is my cash settlement type and total amount which I have made as a settlement. You can print this particular settle bill and provide to the guest. So this is how you can make the order and settlement into the dine-in operation. Okay, now this is the table. As we have settled the bill, system is giving me message, clean the table, clean your table and new QT and add gratuity. Okay, here you can see you always check this all option over here. Second one is show receipt. If you have show, you can check mark all guests. If any table is on a network cloud, you can select the table over here. Now we will go with the takeaway option. One more thing I want to show you. In a dine-in, let's say I'm punching this order. I want to show you is what, how fast you can make an order. Okay, here we do have a retail mode. Menu means you can select the menu item from the list with the use of menu category. Third one is retail mode, means you can search the item like this. Third one is barcode view. Let's say you have some barcode reader, you can make it from here. Item search mode is also available. Let's say you want to search the item, let's say like this. This is also available. So you just need to mention the code over here. Okay, I'll just punch the item, finish. I'll again go to table, I'll select new QOT, I'll again punch the order and finish. So this is my second QOT. So as soon as I'll create this all QOT, where this QOT will be listed, let's say QOT number 5 and QOT number 6. As soon as this QOT is not settled, so all QOT will be listed into the transaction on the QOT list. So you can see over here, all QOT is listing over here. As soon as I'll settle those QOT, let's say dine-in, this order, make a receipt and settlement. Let's say with the city ledger account. Payment on hold and add. So payment on hold is showing me over here. Now if I'll go to the QOT list, those QOT will not be listed me because I have made a settlement of that QOT. Now this QOT will be this QT has been converted into the receipt, so it will be showing me into the receipt list, but it's not showing over here. Why? Because I have made settlement of that receipt as well. So as soon as if any receipt is not settled, it will be coming on this particular list in front only, but if it's settled, then it all settled receipt will be listed over here with this particular list. Now thing is what I want to use the takeaway. Takeaway is used to make a takeaway operation. Let's say I want to make some operation, likewise I want to record some order into the system with the use of takeaway option, whereby guest will be coming and I'll make that order, and that order will be delivered to the guest. Now thing is what, I'll punch the order over here, I'll select the 5 quantity over here, I'll punch second order item and punch it, and in a takeaway mode, as guest is coming to you, on your reception, so you are going to punch order, whereby if you want to print the QT, that QT will be printed into the kitchen, as we are making that kind of configuration. But let's say in a takeaway you just want to provide receipt at the time of creating order directly to the guest, so system will have option likewise. Either you just want to print unsettled receipt, you can click print on finish, or else you want to make directly a settlement, you can click on the settlement, select the settlement type, let's say cash or visa, and make a settlement. So this will be my takeaway order. So you can see here no QT will be created. QT will be created, but just to provide to the kitchen or store, or we can say a bar. Okay, but directly receipt will be created. So you can see this is my takeaway receipt. So this is how you can use the takeaway. Now if you will go to the receipt, I can see all order, but my takeaway order will be showing as a takeaway. Can you see this? This is my takeaway order. This is my room service order. This is my dine-in order, which I made into the dine-in. For takeaway, receipt is not showing, QT is not showing, because in a takeaway we are not creating any QT. Now third option is for the delivery. Let's say some guest is calling to you right now to get a parcel of those order, okay, on their house location. So I'll select the delivery option from here. I'll add the number of guest, which is a contact number of guest. Okay, I'll record all guest information. My guest information will be like contact number of the guest, name of the guest, last name of the guest, and guest address. Okay, so this will be my guest information. If any delivery zone you are going to apply, let's say south zone or west zone, you can select the south zone or west zone. Okay, so according to the delivery zone, you are going to charge them some parcel charges or delivery charges. Okay, so you can select the delivery zone over here. Make a note of this. This is a pre-configured thing, so you just need to select it over here. Or if you want to add some charges over here manually, that is also possible. I select a country, any country. It's always depend to the area. Okay, so this is how you can add all guest information, and you can click on the continue. Okay, as soon as you will continue, again you will be diverted to this window. Now whatever order that guest is providing to you, you can just punch it from the list. Okay, so this is my order for the delivery. You can check the bill over here, whether the bill is correct or not. And if he has requested, and if you are going giving some discount on the delivery item, you can just go over here. You can go to the discount type and apply it. Okay, so this is how I can check 59% discount I have applied, and it's applied. Now what I can do is I can just make a print and finish. I'm not going to make a settlement if I didn't receive that amount from the guest by online payment. If I have received some amount from for this order on online payment, I can make settlement from here. Right now I just want to make print and finish. So this is my bill. I'll provide this bill to the my driver. He is taking this bill. He is going to take this particular bill and he'll collect the order from the kitchen and take this bill and deliver to the guest. Now, how driver will take the order and deliver that bill to the guest? For that, we have one option over here, driver routing. So what I'll do, as I have punched one order in the delivery, this order is linked to the trip. Okay, so you are going to make a route of the driver. So you can just go to the new trip. Here, what order I have punched for the delivery will be showing me over here. I'll select this order from the list. I'll select the driver from the list. Let's say this. Okay. If I want to show a map to the driver, I'll click on the show map. So what system will do, according to that particular address which I have punched into the system will give you a map. Okay, so you can print this map and provide to the driver. Then you can click on the out. So now your driver is out to deliver that order. After some time, once driver has delivered that order to the guest, he'll collect the payment from the guest and he'll come back to your restaurant. So you can check in the driver. To check in the driver, you can click on the check-in button over here. You can select the order which he has delivered and click on the in. So now your driver is into the restaurant. Now you can go to the receipt option over here. As driver is in, so that receipt will be coming over here. Okay, so you can select the receipt from here and you can make a settlement as soon as you will receive that amount from the driver. Okay, so you can see this is a receipt for the delivery. Now fourth option is room service. You can see whenever you are receiving some order from the in-house guest in your hotel, you are going to select the room number from the list. Let's say this order came from the room number 407. So I'll go and click on this search button over here, 407, and I'll click on the search button. So only 407 room will be showing over here. Why 2 folio is showing? Because in that room there are 2 room sharer, and for which room sharer you are going to take this order. So always whenever you are receiving order, you can always ask guest name. So I want to punch order for this particular room. Again I'll punch the order which I have received from that particular guest, and I'll click on the print and finish. I'll not make settlement over here because I am just going to collect the order from the guest, as just guest has been called me. So I'll click on print and finish. Now what your server is going to do, he is going to collect order or item from the kitchen. He is going to take this receipt and he'll be going to serve that order into the room. At the time of serving order, he is going to collect sign of that particular guest on this receipt. Okay, so now let's say your guest is went to the room. He will provide that order to the guest. He'll collect the sign from that on that receipt from that guest and he'll come back to you. Okay, so you can go into the room service over here. You can select the room on which you have punched the order, let's say this one, and you can click on the post. So what system will do, as you have punched that order on the particular room number, as you have received some sign from the guest on that receipt, and as you have received that particular receipt from the server to your cashier table, so you are going to make a settlement on that room. So you can select this room from the list and click on the post. So now these charges which you have posted to the room will be showing into the room under a extra charges information tab. So this is where you can use the room service. Now fifth option is no charge. I'm coming to your restaurant and I'm saying that I'm going to have food, but I'm with reference to the or in a relation to the management, so I'm not going to charge you anything. Okay, so how I can like punch those order, as I know that I'm not going to collect some charges, again providing some food to you, so I'll directly use the no charge. Okay, I'll select the staff account or no charge account from the list, and I'll punch the order. Basically this is for those purpose whereby you are not going to collect the charges from the guest. Okay, so here we do not have any kind of settlement option because we are not going to make settlement. This will be a no charge receipt. Okay, so you can see on which account you have made this no charge. So this way you can punch the order into the system for the no charge get. Now last option is for the advance order. In a situation whenever you are going to collect some advance order, you are always going to use the advance order. So what you can see is you can use the advance order from here. You can collect all guest information for which you are going to punch the advance order. Okay, so how to add advance order guest information into the system. Okay, so if the guest is in-house, okay, if it's a room guest, okay, if it's from your hotel's room, then you can select the guest from here from the in-house guest list. So you can select the in-house guest list to make an advance order for them. Now if the advance order is for the guests who are not in-house in your hotel or restaurant, they are calling to you and they are saying like they will be coming after 4 or 5 hours from now, or they are coming by tomorrow. So what you can do, you can select the delivery date over here. If guest is coming tomorrow, then you can select the tomorrow from here like this. Or if guest is coming after 4 or 5 hours from now, you can select the date of today. You can mention the day, timing of the order. Let's say they will be coming at 3 p.m. So I'll select the 3 over here and I'll select the PM over here and click on the finish. So you can see the 15:10 is showing, and so that I can mention the last name and first name of the guest. How I can do that last name and guest name? So I'll click on the add new guest over here and I'll mention the guest number if I want to record the guest number over here, and this will be my name of the guest, and record all guest information, and I'll click on the continue button. So it's asking me address information as well, so I need to mention the address information as well. Okay, like this. The guest record is already exists, so I'll just change the name. See, this way I can prepare or add all information. How many adults are going to come? Let's say 50. How many childs are going to come? Let's say 10. And extra remarks. Okay, so for advance order, you can see advance order category is showing. If I want to change some guest information, I can come over here and change the guest information if I want to, and I can mention advance order number over here, ADV1. Then I'll start the punching items. Let's say 50 quantity of this item. Main course I'll be having like fruit salad, 100 quantity. An international kitchen item, let's say 50 quantity, which is chips, rice, and this one chicken filled cheese like 580. Finish. So this way I can punch the order what I want for advance order. I can check bills as well, and I can provide to the yes, if I want to provide some discount, I can make it from here, and I'll click on the print and finish. If I am receiving advance amount from that particular guest, I can make a settlement from here. If it's unsettlement, then you can click on the print and finish. So this will be a receipt you can provide to the guest in advance, but this will be a unsettled receipt because I hadn't made any kind of settlement. So you can say balance is due. Now as soon as you are like punching advance order, those orders are not going to show me over here in a receipt list. Those order which you are creating in a advance order always going to list into the advance order list, which is calling as an advanced list. So you can see that order showing me over here. So as soon as gas will come, I'll make all option which are showing over here: receipt label, receipt print, void, ready, receipt and settlement, and recall. If I'll click on the recall, system will give me option to recall that receipt so that I can make changes into that order like this over here. I want to remove this item, I'll click on this item, I'll add the reason and I'll remove that item. Okay, and then click on print and finish, so that item will be removed from the order. So it's now revised. I can make receipt and settlement from here. So you can see receipt settlement type is showing, so you can select the settlement type and you can make a settlement. Yes, so this is my settlement, Visa. Okay, so now I want to check all receipts which I have made today. I can check over here which all receipts I have made today. So this is my receipts. Then I can check QOT. There is no like open QOT, that means all QOT has been settled. I can check all QOT over here which are settled QOT, but I can check open QOT from here which are there is no open QOT. Hold item. Hold item you use, let's say there is some item you want to hold in a dine-in. I am punching one order for the guest, let's say this item. Now guest is saying please hold this item for a few minutes, I'll give you like confirmation for that, and that item will be on hold. So I can select this item from list and I can go to this option over here and I can hold this item. Okay, if you want to hold order 5 quantity for let's say 10 minutes and finish. So this order I do have, but it will be showing under a whole item over here in a whole item. I'll again punch that order, let's say dine in, new QOT, finish. Okay, so it will be coming over here. Then other option is hold receipt. So if you are like holding any receipt, let's say this one, make a receipt, and if you want to hold a receipt you can make hold order. Okay, so it will be on hold. I explain you like operation. Now let's say you want to check some reports. Okay, so you can go to the operation under report portion. You can check this kind of report, let's say sales report. So if I will preview the sales report, system will give me all sales I have made during my shift. So over here, okay, so this will be my sales report. I can see total receipt is showing, sales per receipt is showing, outlet sales by outlet is showing, gross amount, item discount is showing which I applied on the receipt, tax bifurcation is showing, and gratuity if any, and surcharge and grand total is showing. I can check flash report terminal wise. So if I have some terminal related sales, I can find it out. So if you have many like terminals in your restaurant, let's say 2 or 3, so you want to see only sales of this particular terminal, then always you can use the sales terminal report. There is cashier sales report also showing over here, so you can use the cashier sales report, whereby you will get to know like how many settlement you have made. This is the folio transfer, means whatever charges you have made settlement on a room. This is your cash, Visa, MasterCard and Platinum. Okay, so this will be a total amount of discount you have applied. Let's say discount on receipt or discount on item, and any means which is not has been settled. Now as I'm done with my shift, so I want to close the shift. So how will I perform the day close? Okay, so to perform day close, I can come over here into the day close operation. So my system date will be changed, but I just want to close the shift. Okay, my next shift executive will be coming, so I'll come over here in the admin option. I'll click on the close shift and I'll click on the yes. Okay, you can mention and verify all item over here. This will be a shift report. Now I have received 10 quantity of 100 knot and 5 quantity of 50 knots. So I can make a change all over here. So what system will do? System will record count of our nodes in your cache drawer and print it on the report. So you can see my shift number will be coming over here, which is 34. Username is coming, what time that user has been have been started the shift, and what time he is going to close his shift. So this will be a opening balance, which was 0. This will be a total payment which you have received. So this is your room balance which you have collected into the eZeeFront PMS software, but whatever payment you have received into the restaurant will be showing under category POS. Total paid out you have made into the system. Paid out means miscellaneous expense. Total payment posting you have made, how many payment posting you have made into the City Ledger account. So these are the City Ledger account, no charge account, platinum card and payment offer. This is your total room posting. Okay, in a day, let's say you have made some room posting, so all total room posting will be showing under folio transfer. This is your City Ledger account. These are all your City Ledger account. This is payment on hold, and this is platinum card. So as soon as you are adding count over here, you can see it will be showing in the cashier report as well. So what I'll do to close my shift, first of all I'll print the report. Okay, file has been saved on a document folder, and I'll close the shift. As soon as my shift is closed, again I'll click on the login, so you can see my balance is showing me over here 0. Now let's say I want to start my shift with 1000 as a cash drawer balance. I'll click over here and I'll start again my next shift, clearing whole KOT and the shift. Okay, now there are more few options I want to show you. We have reservations option as well. Let's say you want to make a reservation for some guest. You can use reservation options over here. You can click on the new and you can make a reservation on the table. The reservation must be 1 hour ahead than the current time. Okay, so it depends on the time. You can make it 9. Okay, and we will make table number 6. Okay, new. This table number I'll make a reservation at 9:25 AM. Okay, then I'll record all guest information. Number of adult going to come, number of child going to come. Okay, you can make order item. If they are saying that we are going to have this item, so kindly prepare those item. Okay, then you can change any date or other information you want to change, person name or kind of things, flight information, business source from whom this particular is coming, and save. So you cannot reserve table more than table capacity 4. So I'll set table capacity as a 4. So this will be like your table capacity. So you can maintain table capacity accordingly. So you can see this is my reservation. So as soon as you will create a reservation, it will be listing into the reservation list. Payout. Okay. Other option we do have, you can use this settings option over here, whereby you can see the payout. Payout means what? Whenever you want to make some payout from the system, let's say miscellaneous expense, so you can click on this particular option over here, click on the payout and click on the add. So here I'll mention some voucher number. Okay, payout is for, let's say I'm purchasing something from the market into the restaurant. Okay, let's say I have purchased some ready-made gravy from the market. I'll select the ready-made gravy or something from the list. Let's say I can say platinum account. Okay, so I'm purchasing this item from this particular vendor or from the person. Number of quantities are 20 and the amount for that item is, let's say, 500. So my total will be 10,000. So anything what you are purchasing from the market or outside, and for that thing you are giving cash amount from your cash drawer, you can record those over here. For purchasing miscellaneous things, then you can click on the add over here. Okay, so from this particular person you have purchased this one item. Let's say again one more item you have purchased from me. Let's say flowers. Quantities, amount is 100 per one quantity, and total quantity is 25. So you can see this is the, and the tax is also coming, that is good. So I'll click on the add. So total 2 item I have purchased from this particular person, and quantity is showing, total amount is showing. This will be my total amount. If I'm giving some discount, I can record some discount as well over here. Let's say 10% discount. Okay, and I'll update it. So you can see 10% discount is applied. I'll click on the finish. Okay, upon a click on finish, system will give you option to settlement. So you can select the settlement, let's say cash. Then I'll click on finish. Okay, the entry has been saved. That entry will be showing over here under payout list. You can select it and reprint. So if you want to reprint it, system will give you a voucher for that as well. Okay, so we can just check what kind of receipt is showing for that. I'll come over here and I'll go to the miscellaneous sales. Now I have made payout. I want to make a miscellaneous sales. Okay, let's say miscellaneous sales I want to make, whereby I am going to receive some amount from the market. Then I'll just go and click on the add button. I'll add the voucher number over here. Let's say MISC1. I'll add the guest name. Let's say. Now to this guest I am selling this particular item. Let's say platinum card, or we can say swimming adults. I'm selling them my swimming pool. Okay, with amount, let's say 500, and total adults are 50. Adult with 500 per adult. Okay, and total quantities are showing as a 15. When I will add, it will be 25,000. Click on the finish. I'll make a settlement as a Visa. So this is what you did is, like you have sold one item which is your swimming pool. Okay, so that swimming pool you are giving on a rent with the amount of 500 per adult. So you can provide this kind of sales as well over here. Okay, so now we will check with the cashier report once again. I'll close this shift, so you can see whatever payout I have made will be coming as a minus, because my opening balance was 1000. I've made some payout and it is coming over here. I've made some miscellaneous payouts and miscellaneous sales, it will be coming here. POS, this is my sales. I have made some rent. I'll close the shift. Okay, now I'm making a day close. As you can see, my system date is showing as a 22nd of 10 2018. I want to make a day close. Okay, so how you will make a day close, so that your sales of day is closing in a restaurant. Okay, so you can click on the day close over here. Sorry, you cannot start night rate at this time. Night rate time is not configured into the system. Right now this time is not configured, so what I'll do, I'll go to the configuration portion. I'll go to that outlet over here. From the cost and stock, go to the outlet. You can see it's showing me 23rd or 59. So I'll change the timing over here to. So next is I'm going to show you how we can make day close and we can change this software date with the system date. So to perform day close operation, it is important that every day when you are done with selling or you are done with operations into the restaurant, so always before starting selling in a next day you need to perform a day close. So your software date will be changed. So I'll click on the day close over here and I'll click on the yes button. Okay, over here I'll select the date for which I want to perform the day close. So right now my software date is showing as a 8 first. Okay, so as soon as I'll make a day close, my system date will be my software date will be changing from the current date to the next day, and software will open new day for you and you can start making business for new day. So this is the importance of day close. Here we do have live support option available, whereby what you can do is and whenever you have any query or any kind of confusion related to the operation, or let's say you are stuck with the operating software, you can click on this live support option and you can select the product for eZeeBUrrp. As you have some query related to the eZeeBUrrp, you can use our email ID as well. If query is not urgent, you can use this alternative mobile number and you can use the Skype ID as well. So whenever you have query, you can always mention your property information. Okay, and you can mention the query related. So once you click on the start chat, one of our executive will join you. You can mention like hi and your queries. Okay, from here if you want to like upload some file, you can upload it. You can click on the email transcript, so you whatever chat session you have made with that executive will be emailed to your as well. Okay, and you can close the chat by clicking on this cross symbol and end chat. So this is how you can take help from us. Thank you so much for your time. We are done for the eZeeBUrrp level 1 training. You can enjoy the video, and if you have any query or any confusion, you can always like send us email on training@easytechnosis.com. Also you can share us your feedback as well on the training@easytechnosis.com. Thank you. Bye bye.